Hey there everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about a video WordPress theme named as Vidolare. Okay, so basically with the help of this theme you will be able to create a website in which this is the perfect website suitable for bloggers, YouTubers or vloggers also who create video content on a regular basis, right? You can showcase your video files and video articles or blogging articles related to your lifestyle in this theme. Like this will be very suitable for you guys. Okay, so let me show you the demo content because these people provide you like a 16 plus templates and 9 plus beautiful design ready-made templates also. So we will talk about that. Okay, uh, let's see how the templates are. As you can see, there are 9 plus templates. You can install them manually. So with the help of this template you will be able to get a basic structure for your website, right? Okay, so first of all, you need to buy this theme and download it. As you can know, you can get it from anywhere, whatever you like to get it. Okay, so once you have the file, next step is to install this particular theme on our WordPress website. Okay, so for that, I will be going to my WordPress website where I will install this particular theme. This is my website. Okay, so this is the very first website we will install that particular theme on our website. First of all, you need to uh, go to your WP admin section, which is the dashboard section. Okay, so if you don't know how to log into a dashboard, it's simple. Just you have to type WP admin just after a URL and you will be redirected to a dashboard. Okay, so if you are logging in for the first time, you will be asked your username and password which you have entered while you were installing WordPress on your cPanel. That's super clear. Okay, so once you are logged in, you will be seeing this kind of interface in front of you. This is called the dashboard or the backend of a website. In this section you will be able to design, customize, add new things, delete new things, right? So this is the backend. On the left hand side you will see multiple menu section. So like under the setting hood you will be able to see general settings, writing setting, reading setting, or permalink. You can set up the structure of your URL how you want that to be set up. And under the tool section you will be able to see import tools, export tool. You can check your site health and everything and all that. Okay, under the user section you will be able to create user and assign them multiple roles. Like you can create multiple admin, you can create multiple subscriber, manager, authors, right? Under the plugin section you will be able to add new plugin, delete new plugin. So basically plugin are those files with the help of which you will be able to add extra functionalities to your website. Okay, and under the appearance hood you will be able to design your website, like edit your theme, edit your background color, like customize your theme, everything and all that. So today we are going to deal with the appearance section, and under the appearance hood you will be able to see the theme. Okay, click on here. Now we have to add our theme. Okay, click on add new, and here you can see the WordPress provide you n numbers of free theme as well. But the thing is there are a lot of difference between free theme and paid theme. So generally free theme is not that much mobile responsive as compared to premium theme. And when it comes to premium theme, their conversion rate, when it comes to AdSense, the money perspective, right? You have to generate some kind of revenue from your website, right? And AdSense is one of the greatest revenue source. So when it comes to premium theme, their conversion rates are pretty high, right? And the conversion rates are high, then you will get a good CPC, cost per click, when it there are ads on your website. So I generally prefer, if you have a little bit of budget, to invest in a initial stage of your website, initial stage of your business. Always invest that particular money, that amount, in a good theme, that it will give you a very good investment rate, ROI, return on investment, right? So you can buy a theme always. Okay, so once you have your theme file, you need to upload your theme file. We have to select the file where it is downloaded. If I'm not wrong, it might be here. Vidolare theme, we have to upload this. Click on upload and it will be uploaded successfully. So once it is uploaded, you have to activate the theme. So basically I have already uploaded the file. As you can see under the theme section, here is the file. I just need to activate it. Click on activate, and as you can see, theme has been activated successfully. Let's see how our website looks right now. It's pretty much basic, nothing fancy at all. So we have to upload some demo content on this website so that we get a proper structure for our website, right? So let me show you. First of all, you need to see this, right? Our theme is suggesting us to install some kind of recommended plugins. So basically, what are recommended plugins? Recommended plugins are those plugins which are essential for your website. So for example, a theme consists of multiple functionalities, and if you want those functionalities to work properly, each and every functionality totally depends upon a certain plugin, and if that particular plugin is missing out from a theme file, then that particular functionality won't work properly. Hope you got my point. So whenever your theme suggests you or gives you a pop-up notification like this that you need to install some kind of certain plugins, never ignore those messages. Okay, so we have to install all plugins. Click on being installing all plugins, bulk action, install, apply. It will take like couple of seconds of minute. It totally depends upon the internet speed. We have to wait for couple of seconds. Let's wait for it. So as you can see, all the plugin has been installed successfully. Let me show you in the plugin section. As you can see, all the plugins has been installed successfully. Now it's time to activate the plugin. As you can see, it is given an notification to activate all the plugins, right? I generally don't prefer you to go and click here and activate from this section, because this section literally takes a lot of time. So rather than activating in the bulk action from this section, you just need to come to the plugin section, install all plugins, and we have to select here bulk action, activate all, and apply. This will save a lot of time for you. As you can see, it has been activated so fast, right? So let me see that all the plugin has been activated or not. As you can see, everything has been activated. Now let's visit our website again, refresh it. No changes at all, because we have just added the plugin. There is no functionality added yet. So first of all, we need to import some demo data on our website. So for that, as you can see under, if you check your files where you have downloaded the particular plugin, then you will see that they also provide you demo data. Okay, this is the XML file we have to upload on our website. This is the content, right? So with the help of this, you will get a proper structure for your website. Okay, so for uploading and importing that particular XML file on our website, under the tool section, you will see the import section, right? Click on import. Then we have to run the importer, right? Install the WordPress. This is the WordPress importer. So with the help of this, we will be able to import our file, run the importer, and here we have to select the file with the help of which it will extract all the what I'll say demo data from that XML file. Select this content and upload the file. Okay, so it will take like couple of seconds if I'm not wrong. As you can see, it has been uploaded. We have to select that all the postage and pages has been provided by the admin also, and we have to check this, right? Import data file attachment also, then submit it, and it will take like couple of seconds. Let's wait. If I'm not wrong, it should be done within a couple of seconds. Let's wait. It's still loading. Okay, it will take time. Okay, so as you can see, everything has been imported successfully. There is one media file that has not been imported successfully, but apart from that, everything has been imported. Let me show you the content. As you go to the page section, you will see every page. As I told you, they provide you 9 home page design template, right? If you visit this, you will see that everything has been imported successfully. Let it load, then you will see. If you scroll down, everything has been imported. This is the whole structure. If you open any article, this is the video. If I'm not wrong, there has to be article. Okay, this is the article is also imported successfully. If you scroll down, this is the basic view which you get in the article section. Now you have to figure out, you have to make the menu and footer on your own, because that has not been provided in the demo content. So making the menu is pretty simple. As you can see, there are multiple home pages as well. You can go and check it out on your own. If you go on the home page 2 section, this has a totally different look. If I'm not wrong, let it load. Okay, as you see, this is a total different looking home page as this was. If I go back, compared to this, that is total different looking home page. You have to set the home menu section. If you go back to your dashboard, under the appearance hood, you will find menu, and here you can create new menu and you can assign it. If I'm not wrong, top menu, select this, and you can assign this automatically top menu, not it's the main menu, and automatically add the new plugin. And you have to save this and just go and refresh. You will see the menu has been added. If I'm not wrong, as you can see, menu has been added successfully. And if you click on contact page has been also linked. This contact form is not linked. You have to add your contact form. So basically the whole website will give you a structure so that you can design it on your own way. Hope you get my point, right? So with that being said, I just want to wrap this video up. Hope you like this video. If you did, just give it a big thumbs up, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.